Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video, I will guide you to mute the reels on Instagram with the latest update of Instagram. So if you want to mute the reels while watching on your phone but you don't know how to do it, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. The first thing and the first basic thing which you need to do is that make sure that you have updated your Instagram up to date to get this feature. So you just need to open the App Store or Play Store on your device and you just need to check if your Instagram is up to date, if your Instagram is up to date or not. So if your Instagram is not up to date, then you won't be able to get this feature. So after that, you just need to open the Instagram app on your device. And the thing with Instagram is that you won't be able to completely mute the reel, but the thing which you can do is that you may simply go on the reel and you may simply swipe from the very top and you may simply turn off the volume button at the very bottom, or you can simply silence your phone and you may simply lower the volume button till it's mute and you'll be able to watch the reels like this. So you won't be able to get any videos or you won't be able to get any sound from the reels while watching. But if you want to mute the reels from a specific account, then you just need to go on the account profile and tap on the option of following and click on the option of mute, and you won't be able to see or hear from the reels. And so that's it. That's how you can mute the reels while watching on Instagram. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel.